I know.
Mr. Rush, calm
I
down.
be forgetting you learning it, man. You getting better at this Google stuff, man. Dude. Proud of you. You getting good. What this is? You getting real good at this stuff. All right. Rush is on it. All right. So it's 10:08. You guys are early. Um, today's really easy for you today because I'm foregoing lesson planning because we have. Well, I don't want to steal Rush's thunder, but in 2 minutes we're gonna do the norms, and then I'm gonna let him take off. And Rush, you just tell me. I do want to show them the video. Just remind me when you're ready.
Yeah, yeah.
All that. So when you get done speaking, let me know. Now I'll set the video up. So
All right,
remind me. But 2 more minutes. I'm gonna do attendance real quick. You go. Um,
all right. So you want me to let them know now?
yeah, well, I'm doing attendance. You can go ahead. I'm just giving them time to get in class, but you might as well, unless you want to wait till more come and do it.
Yeah,
It's up
yeah.
to you,
So I
dude.
gotta keep saying it.
It's
Yeah,
up to you. It's up to you. You seeing what I go through.
yeah.
So I was gonna give them, time of doing the norms, and then there's 5 more minutes I'm about to put before we do the norms, and then you can go through it. So you got a little time to prep if you want.
Uh,
Kind of want you to do it at the beginning, then I'm just gonna play the video, so you ain't got to get out of breath too. I know you can do it, but you got a couple more periods, fam. I'm trying to pace you.
I got
Let's see here. Is he ready? Where's this
you.
attendance at? So let's do this. By the way, did everybody get the message from Mr. Rush? Or Rush, you only did that for which period?
Oh no, that's for everybody. The whole
Oh,
school.
okay. No, I didn't. Not he said the whole school.
I'm serious. You think I'm playing? The whole school got
I
this.
was working on my RSVP. Rush. See, he catching me up. I was trying to. Hey, Gabriel. I was trying to do the RSVP, and you already got it to everybody. I thought you was just one period. Okay, you the man.
Ooh.
Dang, that was quick. So anyway, Gabe, did you receive Mr. Rush's message or no?
He probably ain't check his SB if he
No.
didn't. Check your SB.
Everybody needs to do that right now. Rush did a great help to Mr. Tyler, and it'll explain what's going on today. So I'm gonna get 5 more minutes. It's 10:10.
Well,
No, I just
hold on,
Go ahead,
Gabe.
Rush.
I'm gonna just briefly listen. I'm starting to
Up to
not.
you.
I don't even care if I gotta repeat it 20 times. So listen, right? I'm gonna just briefly so y'all can understand because it's already to y'all. So in your SB, I got a long message. If you don't feel like reading it, I'm gonna sum it up for you while you're here right now, so I can explain it what it is saying. On Saturday, on the 12th, it's going to be a video conference. Is going to be held. It's having everything to do with your Raspberry kits that Mr. Tyler has gifted everybody with. You make your appointment. You go up to the school, get your kit. You got to call Miss Ball. Y'all know the process. Call Miss Ball, tell her I'm coming to get my kit, and she'll tell you okay, and when you'll go. However that process works. So after you'll get it, but before you even get it, we would absolutely love for y'all to have your RSVP, which is your ticket reservation. It's free, no charge. We would like for you to have that reserved already because it's going fast. It's almost pretty much to zero. You know what I'm saying? Well, not pretty much to zero, but it's going fast. It's a lot less than it was on there yesterday. And I'm noticing that it's getting sold out. So we want y'all to go hurry up. It's kind of time right now. You know what I'm saying? We fighting against time. We want y'all to hurry up and go get your tickets reserved. And that's one link, right? So that's easy. And then your other link is the survey, which is not long at all. Everybody pretty much flew through that in about maybe 30 seconds at most. You know what I'm saying? So just go sign up, do the small survey, and reserve your ticket. That's the only small 3 things we're asking you to do right now. You have one whole period to do those 3 things that takes probably less than 20 minutes. So, you know what I mean? That's what we're doing today. So if y'all go to y'all SB, you're going to see 2 links. One link is the survey form, and the other link is the RSVP/sign up form. I'm gonna repeat all this because I seen Jarrell just did.
My man, good job. I'm
I'm
sorry.
on it, brother. See, I'm on it now. I got you. So all y'all that already heard me, that's all y'all doing. Go over there. Them 2 links is all y'all need today. So one link is going to be the sign up/reserve. The other link is the survey. and that's it for today. And then you just go pick up your kits soon as possible.
What's in the kits? What is that? What is it?
Well, Tyler been telling you, he been telling y'all about it for
it's a computer or something?
Yeah, it's a computer. It's a mini computer. It's a small computer.
All right, so I'm gonna put the link to the video in the chat. I didn't like how the video played on my screen, but I'll show it on my screen. You won't be able to hear it because I want to, you know, slow down the internet speed. Because I think when I did that, Rush, and I told Overdeck about this, it slowed down the processing speed of the computer as well. So I'm gonna put. That's why I do YouTube links, everybody. So I'm gonna let me get the link for you. That's a great question, Leah. And Rush, you did an awesome job, dude. The other thing that Mr. Rush is mentioning to you guys with these kits and why it's so important, because staff are getting one too, so they can help themselves learn about this as well. It's the big thing we all have to overachieve. Let me find the video. So it's setting up Raspberry Pi.
Mr. Tyler, I mean Mr. Rush.
SB,
I don't have the link. I don't know if it's in the SB messages or.
All right, hold on. Let me see something real quick. I got you. Hold on. I'm about to send it to you.
Okay, so everybody, I put the link in there. I want you to click on that. And I'm going to try this one more time with the audio. So I'm going to stop sharing. I'm just testing it out and see if it goes choppy again, because I want to see if that was just buffering. Okay, there. And then now, you know, do tab, and I'm setting this one up. All right, let's see if this works. And you should hear it on the screen. So while you're doing that, okay, wait, it says who arrived? No, okay. I thought it was somebody else. Why does it say Kiana Brewer? And she's not even in the room. All right, anyway, so this is the video. I put the link in the chat if you want to watch it, if it's not coming through on your side. So Rush, again, can you let me know if it's playing on y'all end? There you go.
Yeah, it's fine.
Good. All right. So check this out. And this is Aaliyah's question.
Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to set up this Raspberry Pi 400 unit along with all the components we've shipped to you. Okay, so make sure everything's ready to go. Let's begin by inserting the micro SD card. All the operating system is on this card, so be very careful. On the Raspberry Pi 400 unit, you should see a little slot in the back. Insert it carefully until you hear a little click. It's got a spring motion, so you can remove it or put it back in by clicking it in place. Okay, now let's power up the 7-inch monitor. This needs to get power from the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to insert it into this and into the USB slot. Any of them will work. And on this side, where it says DC. You could also power it from a different source, or you can use a TV if you want, as long as it's got an HDMI connection. Okay, we also have a mouse, so that connects also into the USB slot. The computer right now is off, so nothing's going to be powered up yet. We also sent you a USB cam, webcam, so that would connect also into the USB slot right here. Okay, we're going to use it right now. And then finally, the SenseSat unit. The SenseSat unit has these pins exposed in this, so it's be very careful not to bend them. They're very delicate, and it's a very important that you also follow how to connect it. So you want to make sure that this side connects to this side of the SenseSat, and you carefully insert and press down until it clicks into place in this direction. Okay, and on this side, you'll connect it to the GPIO pins of the Pi. If you're familiar with the Pi, you know that these pins are used for lots of different things. This Pi 400 unit, it's the same thing, they're just in a different location. So press it into place until it can go no further, and that should be secure. All right, so let's give it power and let's see what happens. Oh, we also need to connect the HDMI cable. So HDMI cable connects to the monitor here. Like I said, you can use any monitor or TV that has HDMI and micro HDMI on this side. For the Raspberry Pi, there are 2 slots, so you can have 2 monitors actually. So let's connect it like that. And we are ready to go. So next thing we do is to give it some power. Make sure you use this power source. Do not use some other computer power. You may actually, or some phone charger, you may actually give this too much power and you may end up damaging the unit or making it unusable. All right, so let's connect it. Right here in the middle, there's a power slot. You should see the Senset come to life with a rainbow pattern. And on the monitor, you should start seeing, if this is the first time, a series of installation scripts. Every time you run it, the Pi will actually boot into the desktop. So when the first time you do it, you should see some prompts to get on the Wi-Fi network, so have your password ready. It will also ask you to localize your keyboard to whatever keyboard layout, US keyboard preferred. And then you will be asked to approve a series of updates. Those updates are very important. They will take a long time depending on your internet connection. So it's a good idea to just leave it updating, walk away, get some lunch, go for a walk, whatever you need to. And then eventually, after everything's done and ready, you should end up with a fully working Linux computer with a browser, internet connection, and lots of activities and software tools that we won't get into in this video. But that's it. Thank you for watching, and good luck and happy coding.
Okay, Rush, you there?
Yep, I'm here.
Courtney just
So
arrived.
So we basically getting that.
Yes, ma'am.
So why we just can't stick with our whole computer? That's just doing extra. All them cores is unnecessary.
I hear you, but you're a child. And with that said, you guys don't understand computers too well because you like your phones. So Google's donating it, and you also get out of your midterm. So you can do the midterm if you don't want to do this. It's doing too much.
Yeah, Leah, the midterm. I know you want to get out of that.
And the midterm is pretty long, so you choose which much you want to do.
800 questions. You want to do 800 question midterm?
All right, so I was saying, Rush, you might want to re-explain it because we have students that just arrived.
Okay.
I'm sitting here trying to at least put some tuna fish in my face. So can you?
No, you good. You good. All right. So Courtney and Jarrell. All right. So I'm assuming that you guys are the new faces. So I just sent a mass SB message when y'all check it. So I'm gonna sum it up for you, right? That's pretty much all I'm saying in the message is on Saturday, on the 12th, it will be a live stream. It's going to be Google engineers and everybody in attendance. It's going to be other schools. It's going to be, it's going to be a live event. It's going to be lit. So y'all know Mr. Tyler was giving everybody, has given, you guys just ain't get it yet and pick it up. To do that, you got to call Ms. Ball, call up to the school to pick it up. But he's gifted everybody with the Raspberry kits, which is mini computers, as you just seen the video of. We all got one of those. But before we can attend this live stream on the 12th, and to get out of the midterm, by the way, that's the gift he's gifting you guys for attending on the 12th. So before we can even do that, we have to do the survey and the RSVP. The RSVP is you're reserving your ticket to attend on Saturday. So before you can even attend, you have to go to those two links that I sent you guys, and you have to complete those. It's very quick, man. It's all that stuff is less than 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? You just go to those two links. One link is the survey, real quick. Then you hit the other link, RSVP, which you'll see at the top of the screen is going to say reserve. It's going to see how Mr. Tyler's presenting the screen. That's because he just already got done signing up. See that MT up in the corner? That's Michael Tyler. That's because he just signed up. It wasn't there a couple seconds ago. It was saying sign up. It was saying sign up. So hit that sign up. It's only going to ask you your first name and last name and your email or something like that. And boom, that's it. Sign up is done. Just that quick. And then after the sign up, you go hit that it's a little dot on the side, on the right side. It's not on the screen he's at now because he already reserved. But before that, it was, it had an option to reserve. So he's already reserved. So it's a dot. You just click it, you know what I mean? And then hit check out. And that's it. And you all done. Today's tasks are done after those simple steps. That's it. So if anybody got any questions, let me know. I can repeat or answer again.
Thanks, Mr. Rush. Give me 10 to recoup.
No problem.
To recuperate. So basically, I turned the camera because I didn't want them seeing me chewing in their face. Basically, everybody, what he's saying is 100% correct. So what you get out of this is you don't have to take the midterm. As you're aware, everybody, the midterms is December 11th, right? This is on December 12th. So say you come to class on Friday, right? We're getting back to this doing too much. No, I'm sorry. I come from a very strict family. Y'all kids be doing too less. You get in the kit. One, there's a computer, because I know a lot of you guys, another big thing is you don't have, you might have a computer for Camelot, but other people in your household don't even really use a computer. So this is an opportunity for the parent and the student. That's one. Two, there are, I think, 6 schools that are doing this. So you guys are being put on the same plateau as, I want to say, Whitney Young or Lynn Bloom, like my son goes to. So this is me testing out what you know. All right. So take it serious. If you don't show up on that event, then you should take serious that Friday midterm. Because again, I think at the end of the day, Friday, I got to send out progress report grades to your parents. So you've been doing really horrible. You might want to make it your business to get this kit before the Saturday event. Because you can't just come to the thing, because there's things you have to do with the kit. And I'll be there with other teachers. And they'll tell me which of my students appear too. So don't think I can just finesse Tyler. If you're not there, you're not going to get your midterm score. You're going to have to take that test. Now, the midterm test is composed of what we learned from the beginning of the quarter, weeks ago, to now. So think about which much, again, I say that to all students, you want to do. You either going to get this kit and get out of your midterms ASAP, or you get your kit afterwards, and it's just something you can use to, because I'm going to be using these kits to teach you guys. There's a book inside all the kits, right? So I'm showing you the screen where you need to go. I think, Rush, is my screen showing correctly? I don't know. It's like it froze for a second.
Yeah. Well, try to move the mouse around. It works. It works.
Okay. I thank you. I need that because it's hard to see. This whole virtual thing is tough. All right. So with that, he was talking about these links. I'm gonna put, just to help you out, I'm gonna put this information in the chat. This part I want you to work on. Let me grab it and put it right in the chat. This is not copying what I wanted. Come here. So put this part here in the chat. You have to complete this part. You can use your Google account from what I saw. I want you to work on the RSVP part first, because like he said, and I'm going to click on the link again. See, all of it didn't go. I'm going to click on the link again. I'm just going to put the link in there, you guys. Not that whole statement. I'm going to try to, once I get all your emails that you guys have for this kit, you're going to need to next, basically, see RSVP. This is what Rush was talking about. I heard him. See, I'm logged in, though. That's what he's saying. So let me sign out. Let's do that. I'm trying to show you what he was talking about. That's important. We got to do this today. If I just wait for y'all to do it, you're going to miss your spot, and then I can't give you credit for your midterm, right? So the thing is Eventbrite. That's what it was. It's just logging me right in. There it is. Okay, this is what Rush was showing. So you're not a CPS or faculty or staff, right? You're not a teacher. You're not a behavioral support teacher, because Rush is a teacher, believe it or not. When they do GGI, when they do Townhouse, those are their classes. It's called life skills. So that's for us. But you have student ticket, group 7, 8, 9. And you guys put these groups don't mean there's a lot of tickets. These groups are other students you're going to be paired with from around Chicago. Now, another big thing. How many of you guys know who Chance the Rapper is? Nobody?
Man, oh my God. You know they lying. They don't even
okay, Leah, you raised your hand, right? Go ahead. I mean, come on, guys. I'm trying to educate you. Because that's who okay, you raise your hands. Thank you. That's who the kids are from. So one of the rappers in Chicago are trying to promote that you guys should learn computer science. I don't know how else to stress it to you. Get your kits. I don't want life to be hard on you moving forward, but I'm going to be using these kits on all of you guys. So just know that. Computer science is a graduation requirement. Okay? Sorry. This the next jobs. Lee, you want a job? Jarrell, y'all want a job? Yeah. You have to learn these computers or you can't have a job. It's gonna be, and then the jobs you do get are gonna be low paying. You can't keep making $10 an hour for the rest of your life, right? You have to do a lot of work. All right, so what I want you to focus on, we'll get this link, is this RSVP. I think this is the correct link because it took me here. Let's copy, put that there. Yeah, I mean, I'm only distributing it. Google delivered them. But Chance the Rapper, I read my article that I was in. Maybe I should put that there because, you know, cat's out of the bag. Oh, boy. My parents still call me about that article, Rush, I swear. Oh, where we at? Yeah. I was like, I didn't know it was going to go out like that. Oops. All right. So, I mean, this is a big push to get all these students next generation jobs, right? Let me pull this off the side so you're not seeing all my work life on the screen there. That's the forward email. Put an article in the chat. You guys can read that if you want. It was in the Chicago Sun-Times. So this was a Sunday. And it'll help you understand why you guys have to go through this. Even my own son has to do it. So it's just no excuses, everybody. Crap. All right, let me find it. But let's see here. Who's here now? Does everybody, did the link for the RSVP work for you all? Did you guys click on it? That's what I want to be sure of. So Courtney, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, Leah, you got it. Cool.
I'm in the link. I was going to ask you. So on December 12th, we come to the school at 1:30.
No. This is online, Courtney. That's why you got to set this up so you can be doing activities with them. Did you get the video, Courtney, about the kid in the chat or no? Oh, there's Miss Ball. Okay. So Miss Ball, you're saying they should wait till Thursday? I'm glad you stepped in because I was like, what happened there?
Yeah, because you said you coming in Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, if you want to set up an appointment for Thursday, you could just give a kid each time and they could come like every 30 minutes like that.
That's what I'm gonna ask. How does that work there? Okay, so did the other parent schedule with you to come in or no? Did I talk to you about last night?
No, I told her to have the student to contact you so you could give them a time.
Oh, okay, so Thursday. Okay, all right.
And then you just text me the times of the and who the students are.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there you have it, everybody. So basically, send me the info, and I'll let Miss Ball know who's coming. All right. But you can do that in entities to make everything easier.
Okay. So the hours are the building hours is from 10 to 1.
10 to 1, everybody. Okay.
Mr. Tyler.
Yes, Miss Childs.
So, with this, it says CPS, factual, and staff. It say free. And do I click that?
No, you go down.
Go ahead, Rush.
It says student tickets. Right there. You click any one of those. Don't matter which one.
Okay. So thank you, Rush. Right. So no, that's what I was saying. That was for me and Mr. Rush to click on, Miss Childs. You click on group 7, 8. You click on one of those with a student ticket. There's the other link. It's a survey you have to complete in class. Let me put that in here before I forget.
Mr. Tyler.
Yeah, Aaliyah, what's going on?
I didn't pick a ticket. I picked the same thing that you and Mr. Rush picked.
Oh my goodness, girl. You're not a teacher yet. What do you do? Oh, I want you to try to register again and make sure you have your student ticket though, because they might not. You're going to be in the teacher meetings. I didn't know they let you do that. That's crazy. All right, so make sure you take a student ticket too, Aaliyah. So in case it doesn't operate on you, they might vet your email address. To be honest with you, so I don't want you getting bounced out. Where is that email for us over here? I moved it. Everybody got the video for the setup already? So you get your kit. you need that video to understand how to at least put it together, right? Merry Christmas from Google, by the way, I guess, and Chance the Rapper. Oh, here's the email. All right, so survey. These are things you have to do because the kid is yours. So you guys have to do this part. You click on this here and put this here. So this is the survey you got to fill out today. Okay, I want that done. These people made sure y'all got it right before we went to Christmas break. Please do these parts for Google and I think. Yeah, go ahead, Leah.
It's not letting me do it.
So you stuck as a teacher now.
I guess.
You stuck as a teacher, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, work on your survey then. And I want to make sure, I want to see you there, Miss Teacher.
What survey?
Mister.
I put a link in there. Yeah, Courtney, go ahead.
So I just signed up for it, right?
You didn't do teacher, did you? You did student, right?
Yeah, I'm saying the ticket I signed up for was already sold out, but then they just sent me an email talking about they were happy to have me and stuff like that. So do I do a different one?
Don't do the sold out one, Courtney. Do the ones that are not sold out.
I know I did. I clicked on the free one.
Oh, and it went sold out or something?
Yeah, when I got done signing up, they told me they sold out, and then they sent me an email saying they happy to have me on board or something like that.
Okay, so just sign up for a different Courtney. I'm worried about that one. Make sure you get on there. This is, again, everybody, you're not coming up to the school to do this assignment. You're at home with your kid. You know, just take some time out of your day. I don't know what you could be doing, but this is a way to get out of doing anything on Friday. Hint, hint. So don't miss this opportunity to not have a midterm and make my grading easy. Huh?
So when do we do the
To get credit?
Hold on, wait. What you just said? Okay, never mind. Hold on.
You got the survey though? That's what we're doing today. The survey, and you are registering for this event. Okay, so once you're done, you should see this screen, everybody. Do you see my screen? Once you're done with the RSVP, you should see what I see. This is what Mr. Rush was talking to you about. So let me put this in the chat because I like how they summed this up for us. So you're not a CPS teacher. Don't sign up for that. I got to send this info to my son because he's at Lindblom, so he can sign his little behind up. So those are the instructions right there that me and Mr. Rush have been telling you over and over and over. We're going to be doing it all day today. So, Leah, if you're already done with this, you might be able to leave early in the upcoming period. So you need to have this done before you leave because I want to remind you to do it again. And was it 5th period? I got you. All right. I don't remember, Rush. Did we do our norms? I know this is a recording, so I don't know.
No.
I think I forgot about it.
Yeah, we ain't.
All right, so let's go. All right, let's go through it. The excitement is killing everybody.
You want me to tell you how one easy way in this period just to remember, about if we did the norms or not?
Go ahead.
Well, because you Aaliyah be real hype sometimes. She jump up in front of the line. You didn't have to challenge Aaliyah today, so that should remind you. You say, "Damn, did I challenge Aaliyah today?" No, I didn't. So we ain't do the norms.
Yeah, it's my fault. Okay, so let's go first on the list. Leah, can you read 1, 2, and 3? I want to get this over with fast.
No one has the right to hurt another person. Education in the classroom are sacred. We would never behave in a way that discredit ourselves, our school, our family.
Thank you, ma'am. 4, 5, and 1. Courtney, can you handle that?
I was in the middle of completing my thing, but
okay.
Say, Excel Academy of Southwest student always shows integrity. We take pride in Excel Academy of Southwest and respect the opinions of others.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Gray, are you there? Can you read 2 and 3?
Respect the culture of the classroom. We are attentive participants.
All right. And last, Miss Childs, because I don't want to burn out Gabriel. They're going to keep calling on Gabriel. Miss Childs, number 5.
He read number 4.
Yeah, he did.
You hear it, girl?
Yeah,
I hear it.
We are here to focus on prepare ourselves for post-secondary and vendors.
endeavors. Thank you, ma'am. All right, I heard it, Rush. Good
So
call.
real quick question.
Idiot.
Not to cut you off. Not real quick question. So who got done at least one of the things so far? One of them at least, survey or reserve. So we get a head count. Got an idea. Okay, Gabe, you done. Gabe, you done both or one?
It was 2 surveys.
No, it's once. Okay, both. Okay, so Gabe, you did the reserve and the survey. Good. Nah, Kylie, it's one survey and the other one is the reserve. But then in the top right hand corner, when it says sign up, did y'all sign up? Did you put your first last name in the email?
Oh yeah, I did that.
All right, but yeah, your only issue was that you said you made a mistake and hit the staff one, right?
No, that was Aaliyah.
Oh, so I could have sworn 2 people said they made that mistake. Or maybe I'm tripping.
That was Aaliyah.
All right, that's cool. So you done both? You did the reserve and the survey?
I'm doing my survey now.
All right, cool. So after that, you done. You good. All right. So
Mr.
Gabe,
Tyler.
Yes, ma'am.
So I gotta put my stuff in PDF form, but I went back and watched the YouTube. You know how you put the videos in ESV?
Mm-hmm.
So I was gonna rewatch the videos and just put my stuff inside of ESV, put in PDF form so I can get my grade and stuff.
That's all you had to do. And you know about asynchronous days, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So which day is your asynchronous day with me? Do you know?
No, I just know. I just go on
Yeah, I know
ESV.
about them. Okay.
I just go on ESV and I look at it.
Thank you, Aaliyah. All right. Somebody said it for me. Good. Somebody remember. I'd be like, I just be wasting my breath. Yes.
No, I wasn't really feeling good, so I ain't want to come to class and I be vomiting in y'all face.
I got you. You sound like you bouncing back though, right? Because I remember you used to be lively at the start of class, and now you started slipping off. I was like, uh-oh. So Tuesdays, right? Aaliyah just said it for you. That's when you come in, Miss Tyler. What I got to do? If you know what you got to do, just check in and leave, right?
Okay.
So that's Tuesdays for physics and computer science students. Thursdays, if you have me for robotics, is for all robotics students. So that's 3rd and 5th period. You guys check in, and they're doing this so you guys, because we're going through a pandemic, so we don't want you to screen burn out. So that's why you're able to leave early. But that doesn't mean you don't use that time right there to finish everything that you didn't finish. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Any other questions? All right. We here at Excel Academy Southwest are doing everything possible to give you every opportunity. So please take advantage of it. Session 1, I think Rush already said this. He's doing a phenomenal job. That's how I know he signed in before me. Session 1.
The work?
You said what, Aaliyah?
We ain't doing the work today?
No, dear. No. I wanted this done first. No, we're not. This is going to be the assignment.
Now, why would you go and make her day like that, Tyler?
I don't know.
You know she's.
Thank you, Mr. Rush.
Oh Lord! All right, so I want to remind you what Rush said. I didn't know I'd come today. I got to remind people what Rush said. Session 1. He's absolutely right. I got it on the screen. I put it in the chat. Can Aaliyah? Can you read what you guys have to do Saturday? So you don't have to stay there the whole time because it's 2 sessions. Just might make it easier on you guys. That's what the staff is telling me. Mike Tyler, make it a little easy on them. Make it a little easy on them. All right. So I didn't make it super easy now. You only go to session 1. You only have to participate with Thomas Kelly College, with your kit, Little Black Pearl Arts. These are good schools. Academy High School, and students, right? And staff. So I was gonna have somebody read it, but I'm just like, it's cool.
I thought you wanted me to read it. I was waiting for you to be done talking.
I want you to read the part 2 right here, dear.
If you attend work for
go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. You can see it.
Can you copy and paste it?
Yeah, I was about to, but you started before me. Okay. So don't click there is what I'm telling you. I want to explain the first part, Leah. I put it in the chat so y'all can see it. Now read that, dear. Can you see it?
If you attend work for Sprite Community Links, Phonics Military Academy of Lindblom Math and Science Academy High School, please sign up for the session 2 year.
All right, thanks. That's 20 points. That's very important. I don't want y'all spending, because I think it's the session runs. Let's see here. It's 1:30 to 2:45. You guys are not on there that long to get done with your midterm. And then you probably won't even be there that long because you're only going to session 1. I want that to be clear to you guys where to go. Now, how do you do sessions? Maybe I should show you that too, because Rush noticed it and I was like, my man, he figured it out. Once you're logged into the event, you click on schedule everybody, right? And it has everything you guys are going to be doing set up. And you just go in there and you talk to Google. Ask those questions about how, like Aaliyah asked me yesterday, how I get a job. They're going to tell you how you can get a job, especially with Google. It's up to you to like work towards it, but that's that time for you to learn. And Monday when I come in, I'm going to let you guys know who is there because they will tell me. It's other CPS educators. You also are required to get out a test. Don't think you're going there and you don't have to take notes. You're also required to give a 2-page essay. It's just a report. 2 pages. What did you learn? I'll help you out. The first page should be about what was difficult about the kit when you set it up. The second page should be what you learned on Saturday. Is everybody clear on how to get out that final that midterm exam? Because I will post it on Friday. And if you didn't go, you want to take that test. Huh?
Tyler, you said what again? A 2-page essay.
Yeah. So it's just a report.
Sir.
What's wrong, Charles?
I'm saying the same thing.
Miss Tyler.
What's going on? Yeah.
Sir.
He keeps saying sir. Okay.
He's not cool at all.
He's not. I don't know what's going on with him today.
2 pages. Just what happened. That's all you gotta do. I'm trying to get you guys ready for your SATs. She's like, sir. 2-page essay. Yes, ma'am. Or you could take the 8-question midterm exam. It's up to you.
You said the 8?
Yes, the 8. What? It's a midterm. It can't be no like 5-question test, Kylie. I mean, I don't understand y'all. What do y'all want from me? I thought it made it easy. 2-page essay? Do you ever write in a diary or a journal? I mean, I don't get it.
Y'all stressing me out.
No, we already got to write papers in Miss Frank class. She wants.
Okay.
I know. Why y'all think I'm making y'all do
She
it?
want to recording too. They're doing it.
So Frank's is also getting a kit, and she's going to be exploring this with you guys, and she's told me to help her out with that. The staff is getting you ready to leave school, you guys. That's it. It's nobody's trying to torture you. We're doing these things not to kill you, but to make you better. So you have to try it out. I'm sorry. It's either this or that. You take the test on Friday and it'll show up, or you go to that event on Saturday and you provide a 2-page essay. What you do is you put the essay inside of ESB. Type it up the same way you would a document for your quiz, but just make it an essay. Now, if you don't want to do that, then you can do the midterm. That will be there Friday. I hope that answered your question, Ms. Childs. I'm not sure. I thought it'd be a great help to you because you've been down for a little bit, and that's all you got to do. Like, just go to an event and provide a report.
Mr. Tyler, do you not know it's Corona out here?
Yeah, I know. I got family members dying too. I don't understand.
So you want me to go to an event?
You're not going. That's the problem. Okay, girl.
Let's break it down to me. Let's break it down, Mr. Tyler.
Rush, can you help me out with this?
Basically, we doing it over the computer.
Thank you, Aaliyah.
Wait, whenever they tell us,
Kylie thought I was telling her to come to the school. I'm like, girl.
Yeah, don't tell me to come to school.
Oh Lord.
We only going up to the school just to get the
Just to get the kit, yeah.
That's so yeah. Wow.
What'd you say, Kylie?
Just meal mass.
Oh yeah, pretty much. Hey, and don't forget, man. Before y'all go, y'all call up there and tell Ball y'all coming, because
I thought
she said
was supposed to
yeah, I am.
Okay, yeah. If y'all gonna be,
she just changed that. So message me on SB when you're gonna go, and I'll let Ball know. Okay. Yeah, that's if you're doing it today. Otherwise, huh?
I finished the survey.
You finished the survey? Did you do? You got your RSVP completed, right? So you got both.
Yeah.
Aaliyah, I want you to log in to that RSVP link, that account you made, and see if you can find your schedule for that day. I want everybody to do that. Does everybody see their schedule like I have on my screen? Once you're logged in, to hop in, you know, you should see your name and your account. That's what it makes you do when you RSVP.
Can I share my screen with you so you can see mine?
Sure, that'll help. Hold on 1 second. She said, "You let me come into the school." Go ahead and share your screen. Like, no, girl, it's COVID. You're doing this all from home. Go ahead. Now, you definitely want to have that kit set up so that way you can at least connect to your internet and use it as a computer. And if I were you, I would log into the event with your Google Code Next device. Yep, you got it. All right, so can you go? I got to give her 25 points for that. Can you come to the side? I wanted you to point at the different things. Don't click on them, but you see where it says, what's that in the left-hand side? Expo. That's what Rush was talking about. You said what?
I said that man say December 12th. The same
December
thing
12th, yep. But are you got the same screen that Kylie got there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, so you good, Kylie. You got your in-class points. Great job. You guys decide that
go to schedule. Oh, no,
right,
man.
You see the schedule? It's on the side this time. Yeah. Okay. So you got your in-class points. That's what I wanted to make sure before we got out of class today. Kylie, you'll be able to leave at 11 o'clock to take care of other things and get ready for next period. GGI. I need you guys at GGI for real, for real. We have the National Guard coming out. All right. So try to participate in GGI. Do you know what a GGI link is? The townhouse link? You know what it is?
It's in SB, right?
Well, it's in my SB, but I don't know if you know where that is because you got to scroll up and down to find it.
No, I'm just used to you putting it in the chat.
Okay. Okay. So it's in SB. Let me share my screen. And in a minute, before I do that, I'm gonna remind me to put it in the chat, Kylie. But Aaliyah, you said you was ready to share yours, right? Like you said you had it done. Everybody's getting points to have that survey done today. It'll take advantage. It'll take care of the assignment you see there. So you won't have to do the assignment until next week, right? But you have to finish this instead. So, but what I'm saying is, go ahead and share, Aaliyah, your screen so I can see that you got that correct. 'Cause I'm trying to make sure some of you guys got your account set up with that RSVP. You get your RSVP, you got set up your hop-in account like Kylie did. Okay. Aaliyah, are you sharing or no? It looks like your screen is off. Her microphone is off too.
I just completed my survey.
You did? Okay. Courtney, did you register on this like they did? Great, Aaliyah. I see it AM and then for the RSVP, Courtney. Aaliyah, click on schedule and make sure that works. Yeah, finish that, Courtney. You said what, Courtney?
How do I get to it?
All right, so let me go back to that link again. Did you got to RSVP yourself and then set up an account? Aaliyah, you're great. You follow that schedule on Saturday, okay? But you need to hurry up and get your kit so you can follow along with them. Let's see here. Was it Courtney? You need that link. Where did I put it? Here we go. And then Courtney, you already said you signed up for a student ticket, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, did you click on the part that says sign in or create an account for hop in? It should let you set up an account. You want to share your screen so I can see what you're working with? You got it now? I couldn't hear you, Courtney. So you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So let me know when you got that finished and you can share that out. Gabriel, you've been quiet over there for a while. Yeah, okay. That's, that's a unique avatar you have. Are you there, Gabriel?
Yeah.
All right. Did you finish both parts? Did you finish the survey and your RSVP?
Yeah.
Can you show your screen with your RSVP and the account set up so I can see your schedule?
After Gabe, I'm gonna show.
Okay, Courtney, no problem. Gabe, are you able to share?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Okay, I couldn't. Yeah, because it's not going to go to Courtney. All right, now where's your? Gabe, you don't let your finish. Yeah, Gabe, you're not all the way signed up, sir. We're almost out of time. What you been doing? Gabe. You have not signed up. You're not registered for a ticket, man. Come on, you're a bulldog. Finish that up. So yeah, click on freeze ticket slot. Finish that process. Log in now, Gabriel. Come on, man. All right, so stop sharing, Courtney. What about you? Did you get signed up all the way and registered for your ticket? And everybody, these tickets are going to be gone probably by the end of the day, if
Yeah,
not tomorrow.
they sent me 2 emails saying that I was in.
Okay, so I see you sharing, Courtney. Yeah, I was trying to see your login for. Great job, dude. All right, yeah. Okay, so your schedule work. Click on schedule. Courtney, scroll down and click on schedule. Yeah. Yep. And also, one thing, Courtney, scroll up a little bit. Need one more assist from you. You see where it says calendar link? Go up a little more. No, all the way up. Stop. Add to calendar, Courtney. It'll go straight to your Google Calendar. That way you'll know. So I want everybody to do that. So if in case you forget, it'll pop up in your phone on Google. If you have a Google Calendar, like we be trying to teach y'all, add to calendar, and it should allow you to add it to your Google Calendar. Yeah, I don't know which calendar. You got 2 calendars. Okay. So yeah, there you go. Great job, Courtney. You can stop sharing. You got your in-class points. You can leave at 11, Courtney. Let me write this down. So, Gabe, you said what now?
I did it.
All right, share your screen. I want to make sure you got that done, dude. Just like Courtney and Aaliyah and Kylie asked. And Gray, you're next. I need to see what you got going on, man. Did you sign up?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, you're going to share next, I guess. All right, add to calendar, Gabe. So it goes to your Google Calendar. Yeah, Google Calendar. Yep. And that way you won't forget it either. This is how I'm on time with, hit save. This is how I'm always on time. All right. So I think, yep, you got it. And man, you be using that calendar. You're pretty good. All right. So stop sharing. Great job. What about Gray? You said you had something, right?
Hold on.
All right. Again, a lot of what they're going to do on Saturday, session 1 for you guys is pretty much showing you what the kid is and doing fun activities with you. That's a big thing for you. We're just waiting on Mr. Gray.
It said I signed in. Let me see.
Okay.
I gotta show my screen.
Okay. Good. Now you haven't finished. Oh, you are. Okay. So you're logged in to hop in, but click on your schedule and make sure that's right. It says JG. So you got an account. Did you register for a ticket already?
I thought I did.
Okay. Just click on another student ticket. Make sure you got yours, man. I don't want you to miss out on that. Select one of the student tickets. Like you got the staff selected.
I picked 7 and it says sold out, so that means I must have logged in.
Just stay ahead of it. Click on 10.
All right.
And then try it now. That's what I was telling you guys. It's going fast. Okay, did you go all at the bottom and then submit it? Yes. Okay. Well, check out. There you go. That looks better now. All right. Let's scroll up. Let's see. Oh, you are scrolled up. There you go. Yeah. So you see that left-hand side where it says stage, sessions, expo. These are things you guys are going to be going to, right? So you'll be clicking from room to room, but the main thing, Gray, is that link for session 1. So that's what you'll go to in case you don't know anything else. Go there and you can ask around. They even let you guys network with other students, right? So y'all can complain together. Why they got us doing all this? Because it's not just us doing it. Y'all could be all in one room complaining. So hit add to calendar, Gray, so you can have it on your calendar for Saturday. And this is what you have to do to write your paper on getting out of that final exam. I'm sorry, midterm exam. You're free to go. You got your in-class points though. Everybody who shared is free to go in 3 minutes because it's 10:57 or 2 minutes. I promise you 11. Thanks everybody participating. I do hope you enjoy the kits. They're yours, but you do need to provide your email address when you arrive with me tomorrow. They're in 30-minute intervals. So, try to come in, get your kit, write down your email address, and move around, right? I hate to say it that way, but that's actually what needs to happen. Go out the building because we can't have too many people in the building. All right.
So we can have the computers.
I just explained that. Right. So you're talking about the kit, right?
Yeah.
Right. So the kit is yours. And the kit is what you use on Saturday to do. It's a computer, but it's so much more than a computer. It sounds so crude. But it is a lot, actually. But at the base level, it is a computer. And it's yours to keep, sir. All we need is your email address. You filled out the survey, right? That was the other requirement. And you need to go to the events and you participate with the kids anytime a teacher asks you to do something with it. Okay? That's the only thing you got to do on your end to keep the kit. Otherwise, it's yours. Any questions? It's 10:59, everybody. Okay. Okay, so I will put the credit in the system. The only thing you guys got to do is just turn in that 2-page report on what you did Saturday, and you don't have to worry about Friday's midterm. Everybody clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Well, then I'll see you guys in GGI, hopefully, because National Guard's coming. Kylie, you need the link for GGI, right? I didn't forget. Let me get her that. Let's see, where did I put it? Oh, it's inside of Esby, right? There it is. Grab this, Miss Childs. All right. Oh, she left. I was about to give it to the girl. All right. Oh well. Okay. Stop the recording. That's it.